Up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you how you can withdraw the Blum coin to your any wallet. For that the process is very easy. As of now the airdrop isn't been live for the Blum application, but once the airdrop will be live, the process will be seamlessly very easy and simple. So first thing you need to do is to go to the wallet option. So in the wallet option, as you guys can see that I have already connected my wallet, but in just to teach you guys, I will disconnect my wallet. And here you guys can see that there is a connect wallet option. So in order to receive the token from the Blum application to your wallet, there should be a wallet connected with your Blum application. In order to do that, just tap on the connect wallet option. So once you do it, you will be redirected to this menu. Here you will see a lot of wallets in here, which you can see that wallet on Telegram, Tone Keeper, My Tone Wallet, Tone Hub, D Wallet, Bitget Wallet, and so on. The list goes on. So I'm just gonna go with my Telegram wallet. Just tap on it, and you will need to wait for a few seconds until the approval of notification pops up. So here, all you have to do is to approve the Connect Wallet option. And once you do it, the process is very simple. You can see that the Blum wallet has now been connected with the Telegram wallet. So here, so what to do next? All you have to do is to wait for a few days until the Blum airdrop is live. So once the airdrop will be live, you will simply be able to convert your tokens into your coins, and then you can simply use the different sort of exchange. All you have to do is to withdraw them to your account or wallet, and after that you can sell them, or you can trade them with different sort of coins on different sort of exchange. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful.